Hello, salon owner and hairstylist. I am going to talk about the balayage dark to blonde in one visit, in one section. If you look at this hair, you see that is from Asian black hair and the end already dyed brown. And I turn that hair to on the right hand side, the color is creamy blonde and beautiful blend in one day, in one appointment. And I want to share with all of you that please improve your skill and help your client to achieve this hair in one day. Don't tell client that this is impossible, have to come back 4 or 5 times. So if I can do it, you can as well. Here's what I share with you how I can achieve that hair. Just 3 things I want to say at that. So number 1, that you want it no brassy. You do need to do thin section, not too thick. Number 2 thing that you need to leave it live enough, and important a lot of people miss is apply not enough bleach on the Asian hair. Number 3 that need to leave long enough to make sure it light and add the treatment on it, avoid damage.